Hi, this is Vikneshwar. You are K19 CS1052. In this class, we are going to see about inheritance. In this program, we see four classes. One is cake class, other cake, ready-made cake, and main class. In first, we see cake class. In public, cake class, and name and rate are protected, and public cake class string name and int rate. This dot name is equal to name and this dot rate is equal to rate. I want to calculate this cake rate, so calculate price in x and return 0 and public string to string return name like this. Name I want first name and rupees after rate and bill in price and other setter and getter method, and I want to display that all. We're going to see order cake. Order cake class order cake eccentric cake. Eccentric cake means just follow the cake and weight. Public order cake string name and int rate is super class, and int calculate price I want int weight. Rate and weight are multiplication, multiply into the C price, and public void bill in price, and I want to set and get the weight of the cake same as that ready-made cake, but in order cake we calculate the price like weight, but in ready-made cake we have to calculate the price or quantity as other but all same. And main class as we see import java.util.scanner and public class main class and main function and scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in cake of object is equal to new cake. I give 4. Object of 0 is I assign white forest cake 500 rupees, and object dot 1 is I assign wedding cake 300 rupees and ready-made cake heart shape cake 400 and ready-made cake black forest cake 200. And these are decorate the code, and using while loop we assign 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 is exit and select our choice. In I assign price is equal to 0. In case 1 for int I is equal to 0, that means I is less than that of the object, means it will print the cake and name. And case 2 system.out.println enter the order cake 1 or 2 and weight of cake, you enter weight how many you want, and it will print int w is equal to scanner of next int and price ob of 0. Calculate the weight, calculate the price of the weight, in calculate the rate, weight and rate, and it will print the bill the same as that of all. I run this code. Here you see welcome to cake order, available cake, order cake 1, order cake 2, ready-made cake 1, ready-made cake 2. I want to order one cake. See here visible what are the cake here: white forest cake, wedding cake, heart shape cake and black forest cake. I select white forest cake. kg I give 2 kg. See white forest cake rupees 500 and I weight is 2 kg, that means 500 into 2,000 rupees. This is okay. Going to ready-made cake. Quantity ask 4 1600. Heart shape cake is 400. 400 into 4 means 1600. This is my program. Thank you for watching. Thank you for order cake. Thank you.